Clean slate. Welcome to my new garage. Hey, what's up guys, Rago here, and today we are going to start newly. We are going to move to this new garage. This is a 3-car garage that is right now completely empty. I'll show you around. Nothing's going on here. It's just white walls everywhere. And that's the entrance to the house. And I have some stuff here that I need to move out still. Right here I have some paint. Alright, so we're running a laser. You see the green line, hopefully you can see it on the video. We shot the lines with a chalk line, and now we are going to do the masking tape. Everywhere in here would be gray, white, red, and white on the top. So I think it's gonna look hopefully as good as I imagined in my mind. This is the red color, and this right here is a gray color, so this would be the contrast.
I don't cry when it rains no more, or I get dirt on my shoes. I don't mind climbing 8 more floors, 'cause these stairs are all heading to you. I don't wait for tomorrow's sunshine when I feel it today. And when it's cold in the dead of winter, remember that snow melts away. One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. We don't need plans or a fancy agenda. Well, let's just see where it goes. We got no care for the way people stare at the dust and the dirt on our clothes.
Painting is done. We masked everything, and then we did the red, we did gray, and we should have a white stripe in the middle. I don't know how sharp that line would be. Hopefully sharp enough so it will look good, but I don't know. Let's remove the tape, see how it looks. Not terrible, but also not amazing, so I guess I'm not gonna do any close shots. Actually not too bad. I guess it's okay. Alright, so step 1 is done. The painting, I think looks okay. Next, we need to do the floor. We need to clean everything real nice. I have epoxy gray, a little bit lighter gray epoxy. We'll do the floor, and then after that we will start designing everything else.
One more cold drink, one more roll, one more dance for the doors get closed. Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. And go put on that old wedding dress now. Probably still fits like a glove. And tell the band to play one more slow song, 'cause you still have all my love. One more cold drink.
Zia, what are you doing here?
I'm painting.
We are doing the little details because it's easier for you to get to those little details.
Please remember, enjoy the show. Let's get happy before we get old. Let's get happy before we get old. No more whiskey, I'll have a Coke. Catching bass on an old fishing boat. One more story from Grandpa Joe. Let's get happy before we get old.
here's the plan. We got our wood ready, everything is painted. I did that with my kids. Now this is the top. We have 5 of these, 3 on the top that will make it 15 feet long bench right here, and then 2 shelves on the bottom. And in the middle I want to keep it open because I want to be able to put my tires in there. And you see these 2 lines we just shot. The one would be top of the bench, and then the second one would be the shelf. Alright, so you get a picture, right? We have top shelf, bottom shelf. We installed that on the wall. We found the studs and drilled that with the nice screws right here. They went into the studs. And then we have 4x4 leg. 2x4 will go like this. Let me show you. We'll go like that. Nicely done. We'll finish the touch-ups a little with paint. And then on the top we're gonna have 15 feet long top. It's gonna look really good. Oh, check it out! So we are testing our first top. It's not mounted yet, but it looks pretty good. It's good size. I have it on maybe like 38-inch right here. So we're almost there. My friend Jake is helping me again. Hey Jake, what's up? Let me show you exactly what we did here. We used the wall as our guide and put 2x4s on the wall because the floor is actually going downhill in the garage. So the height of this bench here is maybe 38 inches, but at the end is more like 40 inches. So I had to use the 2x4 on the wall as my guide to keep everything in the level. Alright, check this out. Look at the fit of my bottom shelf here. That thing fits like glove. We got these notches out for the leg, and it fit in very tight. I had to step on it to put it in there, but it's going nowhere and it's looking pretty strong. Alright, check this out guys. We are sliding the second shelf in. Look at the room I have there. If this thing is ½ inch longer, I won't be able to fit it in. Everything just works perfectly here. So happy. Working on the top cabinets, installing these boards in the level in one line on the top, and then we will hang the cabinets on the top of those boards. You're gonna have 20 feet of nice wide looking cabinets, those right here. They will be sitting on the top in one continuous line across the entire garage. It's gonna look good. Alright guys, next step is done. Check out those wide cabinets, one line on the top. These are 20 feet long, and I think they are really nice. Majority of these things are from the old office cubicles. I had access to some furniture, old office furniture that people didn't need, so I just recycled. This only cost me $150 so far for the bottom wood and some paint. So I'm doing pretty good, but I did all the work myself and with my friend Jack and with my kids, so that helps. But right there, you see the cabinets. I'm gonna do LED 4-footers on every single one. So I'm gonna have 4 lights, so 16 feet LED on the bottom. I like how they slide. I can put a lot of things there that I don't use every day or even every week. A lot of storage. I can do something on the top, maybe helmets or whatever. So yeah, it's coming together. Goodbye my old place. The exodus begins. We're getting everything from the shop. Bunch of stuff in the truck, this is on a trailer. Yeah, and then let me show you what we have here left. So these 2 cabinets come with me, bike and more parts. That old kitchen setup over there, like some of you call it, that stays. I'll just take some decoration, and I'll take that reel, that poster, and we're pretty much out of here. That was a good 5 years here, so thank God for that. Welcome to the new home of Dirt and Iron. This is my new man cave, my new studio, my new garage. We're gonna spend a lot of time together here in this garage. As you can see, it's way more spacious than what I had before. I can be filming this from the distance, you know, moving the bike around. I have enough room for lights, for camera, and for all of that. Way bigger than what I had before. All right, my friends, let me take you for a little tour. Let me start first with my little home gym. It's just the beginning, but I want to get back into shape, so I'm trying to do some pull-ups, dips, and I have a bench, some free weights, so that's enough to start. Back here, you know, just our laundry for our house. That's where we keep our gear, helmets, boots. I actually can put my gear on right here, and I go riding from my house many times, even with my kids sometimes, or we can just pack it in the gear bag and go to the track. Now, right here in the middle, in the garage, we do have enough room to store the dirt bikes. As you can see, that's my daughter's right there. This is a 350 XE from Jay Clark for sun testing, my 300 KX250 also from Jay, and then this is 85 YZ and 112 KX for my son. We're riding all these bikes, so these days I have quite a few bikes around. Now over here, you guys, this would be the view like this that I'll be showing in many videos, because this is the table I had in my old shop. I've painted it to match everything, you know, with the colors gray and red, so it fits in here. On the left side, factory links, banner. Check out these posters, how to do your bearings. That's pretty cool. Plus we have these cutouts, you know, all the bearings they are selling. I have these cutouts and it looks pretty cool. I think that's from YZ250. All right, and you know, old school vise. I got it from the garage sale, or my friend got it in the garage sale, something like that, so I like that part. Here in the back, my bench, 15 feet long, and on the top, 20 feet long cabinets. You can slide them, so the hub is open, hub is closed. That's my oils. I use Shell Rotella I stuck for a few months, helmets, and some other stuff as well. This bench, guys, I'm so happy that I didn't just go and buy something they are selling somewhere in Home Depot or somewhere else, you know, like your regular garage cabinet slash bench for a few $1,000s, but instead I got the lumber, which I paid maybe $150. The tops I found obsolete, I didn't pay anything for it. Also those cabinets, I got really good deal for on those. So overall, it didn't really cost me much, several $100s. And I did it myself. It's my work, it's my design, and I think it just fits better also my channel. I don't want to be like, oh, this pro guy having everything, you know, done professionally. So this is what I did. Here in the back, you can see the pegboard. It really worked good for me. I just installed this pegboard from Home Depot 4x8 and put 1x2 frame around it. So you need to have little space in order to put your hooks in. And I have some tools that I use quite often. These are the wrenches for the axle nuts, some hammers, some other tools, Allen keys, screwdrivers, my funnels. These are the stands, triangles, my tripods, bench grinder. And look at that space. It's like 15 feet long and 30 inches deep. And it's quite tall. I think it's over 40 inches over here. So it's really nice size for me. I can work without getting, you know, my back hurting. So it's really good. On the bottom, I have room. I have these two shelves, one here, one over there, for the totes, for my filters, some parts, more parts on the bottom. There's my kit for oil change. Wheels that I keep here, I can just swap them, or new tires, more totes, and more parts on the bottom. So this bench really works for me. Over here, you can see that I have more tools. There's my, you know, power tool. Hey, this is my 100,000 subscriber thing. Pretty cool. I didn't get it until I had like 150,000, because I didn't know that you have to claim that thing. I decided to install a big screen TV here, so I can watch some stuff when I work on the bikes. I usually just listen to music. I go to some Slovak, Czech, Landa, Krill. If you guys know them, you know what I'm talking about. Or I'll go to some classic rag or some worship music. Depends how I feel. Okay, so that's it. My toolbox over there that I had in my old shop. These are my two cabinets I had before in my old shop. And I just bring them over here and they work great. They fit nicely. This is the same thing I had in my old shop with all the chemicals and parts. This little cabinet I use for the paperwork, some you know, small parts, pens, and little fridge over there. This is my 17 Husky 350 that I just showed you recently. We fixed it up with Jay and put everything new on it, so that bike is ready to go. So this is it, guys. That's my new place, and I'm really pumped how everything turned out. And the reason why this ugly bike is here, it's not ugly, but it's not same as that one. It's because my camera is here too. So I'm getting ready finally to take YZ125 apart. This is my next build. I was really looking forward to start it, but because I had all this going on, because of that I was really busy, and now I have time and I will work on this bike. I have air over here, but right now it's just the, let me show you like this, because right now I have this little pancake compressor, but I will be getting a 60-gallon compressor that I will install outside because it's a little loud, and I will run my air inside and I'll put air everywhere underneath, and then I'll just have air everywhere in the garage. Now let me show you something. This is a 3-car garage, so let me close those doors. And I also installed the LED lights. You see I have 8 foot over here and 16 feet over there. Let me turn it on for you. So it's like that, it's pretty bright, and I could have good light when I work on the bike. And also when I do something on my bench, I install these 4-footers underneath the cabinets. They come on like this. So it really gives me enough light, gives me good space. I can be working here. I can actually be working on 2 bikes that pretty much never happened before in my old garage. So guys, this is it. Again, let me know below in the comments how you like everything. What would you do differently? What I'm missing? And don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.